Welcome to Kemi's Frank channel. In today's video, I bring you an important update concerning Express Funded. Now, if you know me very well, you understand that all we do here is platform reviews. We review prop firms, review online platforms, we review forex, we review forex methods, and everything reviewable. So welcome to this channel. If this is the kind of content you like watching, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Now, there's something going on in Express Funded I want you to know before you make a big mistake. As it stands now, Express Funded is getting serious issue. And one of the issue is this. One of their clients chatted me telling me that he's unable to log in into his MT5. So I decided to confirm that information by asking other members using this profile. And then it is true. Members are no longer allowed to log into their MT5, that is their account details from the pro firm logging into MT5. So when I made further research, I discovered that the pro firm is actually aware of what is happening, and they purposely did that for a reason which I'm going to show you now. Because there's a conversation I have with their agent, that is their customer care, addressing this issue of why people are not actually logging into their MT5s. All right, and after which I've shown you this conversation, I will also show you what people are saying about this profile. Because when you produce a profile, when you bring out a product, people will have to use it and then give their testimonies about the profile. If it is good, they will give a nice review. But if it is bad, you can only take a horse to the river but can't force it to drink water. If it is bad, they must still talk that this profile is bad. You understand what I'm saying, right? You can do all sort of advert that your profile is this and that, but once it's not doing what is promised, then people will react to that immediately. You understand what I'm saying? So let's go into this conversation as it was stated by their agent, that is the customer care, so that you know the reason why you are not logging into your MT5. All right. So I started with salutation. Hi, good day. My account couldn't open on MT5. The error message is authorization failed. Please, what happened? I still placed a trade on the account this morning, but has refused to open for a few hours now. I wanted to trade USD news and I couldn't, and still not opening till now. Please help. All right. Now this is the response from Anna, their customer care. He said, hello, we are changing brokers, so you may have to wait until we have changed, because all accounts are paused during this transaction. All account upgrades or opening of accounts have been halted until the complete change of broker. Best regards. Then the response says, all right, how long will this take? Thanks. The Anna said, we are working on it. Kindly wait patiently. So waiting can be 1 year, 2 years, 2 months, 3 months. You understand what I'm saying? But wait patiently. Now, after some days, that's February 22nd, 2024, another chat. Remember, the first one is happening around 19th. So the previous one was around 19th February, you understand? So after 2 days, that's on 22nd, or 3 days, right? Then that was when this chat came in. Okay, hi, my account is still not opening. How long do we continue to wait, please? All right. Now the response from Amalia, right, is please be informed, Express Funded is currently migrating customers traders account from Purple Trading. Okay, maybe they want to shift from a particular broker, you understand, to another. So all issues related with account, that is creating new account not upgraded, reactivating account due to DD anomaly, Keme, are unable to be fixed. We will provide the update shortly. I will give you estimate time. They have been handled since few days ago, so we will notify all the clients. I really appreciate your patience. So this is the update gone. That's the update. The update is that we are having a kind of change in broker and all that. All right, so we can't conclude yet if they are closing entirely, but it's just good you know that this is what is happening at the background right now concerning Express Funded. Right now, let me show you something someone has to say about this funded this express funded account, and then let's look at their terms and conditions before you pass a particular challenge. All right, looking at the challenges now. In fact, first of all, I would like to say that I love this platform. Like the design of this website is so attractive. Like, come on, the color and all that. So the minimum account here is $5,000 challenge to $100 challenge. We have two phases, of course, phase 1, phase 2. So looking at this, it stays similar to others. Okay, minimum trading days is 8 in this case. The maximum daily loss is 3%. That's $150. So if you lose $150 of that account, it's gone. Utilo, you understand? The maximum overall loss is $500. 10% of that account. Their leverage 1:100, not bad. You can hold trade through the weekend, and the money you use in buying these 5K challenges, $49. It's okay, it's okay, you understand? Then phase 2, we check out phase 2. Look at the profit target, $400 this time, 8%. Daily drawdown, $200, that's 4%. Overall drawdown, $600, 12%, is it not? Now, of course, just so similar to others. Then this $49 can be refunded, all right? You can trade during the weekend. So then after these two phases, you get funded, all right? So that is the same thing with other pro firms, not too far from what we used to have. So let's check on what people are saying concerning them via Trustpilot. Alright, this is coming from someone. He says, my honest review, since I started using Express Funded, I simply think these people are scam. Reason number 1, the bi-weekly withdrawal takes weeks to get your money, not days. They close your account, preventing you to trade for all those weeks when your withdrawal is in progress. 3, customer service only respond faster when it's about buying account from them, other than that no one responds. 4, I can't trade anymore because their broker has been banned from MT5. The funny part is, it's been almost 2 weeks now and I have not received any mail or updates from them. These are some of the reasons some of us can never trust or support anything our African brothers bring up, because mostly it's to scam people. I will change anything in this comment if they change it. Until then, don't waste your time, money and energy. Thank you. The next person, just immediately after the other one, is from DIYFX. He says, these people are thieves. These people are thieves, Keme. They will steal your hard-earned money. Be warned. Imagine I did not reach my daily drawdown or total drawdown and my challenge account was deactivated. All they come to do is steal from traders. Imagine KJ Forex, who says he's one of the founders of Express Funded, goes about making advertisements for other pro firms. That alone should tell you a lot. Make una just be careful, you know what I'm saying? Be more, choose this. This is a positive review. He says, I think Express Funded are doing the most for traders. Is the drawdown limit only affecting initial trading capital for me? Amalia, the administrator at the support, is really putting in effort by attending to any challenges within. Kudos to the team. I know 18 months from today, our success is in this endeavor will be banger. Alright, this is just a promotion. Hey guys, this pro firm is a scam. This is a person coming from Maxwell Asere. Hey guys, this pro firm is a scam. I trusted them with my hard-earned money, but you ended up defrauding me. This experience has been really disappointing, and I hope others won't fall victim to your deceitful practices. Let's spread awareness about the importance of honesty and integrity in the trading world. Say no to fraud. You know you're going to learn the hard way. It's either you learn it with your sense or you learn it the other way around. There are two ways of learning. Learn from experience or go and get burnt by yourself before you learn. That is learning from people's mistake or learning it by feeling the pain, learning the hard way. Understand? Good. So I think that's all for now. Okay, let's go more. This person is Express Funded support team is the fastest I have come across so far. I was finding it difficult to understand their terms and conditions, but got all the responses I wanted. That's to their service provider and H. Okay, talking about customer care, but right now we're talking about account shutting down. I like the way your customer care treated people. Okay, customer care is the same thing. All right. Honest Express for the support team is awesome. That's customer care too. Hello, I bought an account since on the 17th of this month. Till date, I did not get the logins. Sorry, I didn't laugh, alright? You bought account, you didn't get the logins. I don't understand. Okay, Express Funded is the best of all. Wow, Express Funded is one of the best. My Express Funded experience so far, I've been really pleased. To everyone who is thinking of buying it, okay, to everyone thinking of buying a funded account from Express Funded, I suggest you go for other pro firms without having a second thought, because these are really scammers. They just decided to cut you off a trade when they feel like, okay, when drawdowns balance is not even hit. I purchased 3 accounts from them, and from the first and second account I didn't worry much. When my account was halted, I never thought of calculating all this and that, talking about scam. The last thing says stay away from Express Funded in capital letters. Okay, all right, there's no problems. That to be the end of this video, guys. Just do your due diligence. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a content creator here on YouTube. Try to do honest reviews. So if you take my advice, then that is it. If you don't want to take it, it's still left for you to decide. There's no need dropping harsh comments, you know what I'm saying? It's just my opinion, all right? You can do your due diligence. No worries, no stress. Life, you learn the hard way. Last, that's what it is. So please join our Telegram channel. We trade forex. We also provide forex signals. The link to our forex Telegram channel is in the description box. Tap on the link, then you'll be in the Telegram channel. And also, subscribe to this YouTube channel. This channel will be a beautiful channel for you this year. You're gonna like my content. You're gonna like them. I will see you in the next one. Please smash that like button. That like button needs to be smashed. Then subscribe, please. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.